lighting attached to it. And the lighting that we are choosing to do or to use is this. It's the Flexi Global little lights. I have here like 5 boxes actually. These are 6 feet, as you can see, and they were on sale, of course. You can find these at local stores like Ross Dress for Less, or maybe Marshall's, even on sale, maybe Bell's, or stores like that. This one was out of the package, so it was very cheap, as you can see. And this looks like it's about 9 feet. Well, this is 6 feet. They both could be 6 feeters, okay? So that's 12 feet there. And this one here, this is also a 12-footer. And it's a Flex Glow. And it's extra long. This is for sure 12 feet. And it's got all kinds of LED lights on it. This is another box. And then this is also another. Well, I have been able to actually get all the lights working. If you notice, I was able to get these two connected. So these two are the 12-footers. They are both connectable. And as you can see, they do have an interlocking area here where you're able to connect. So I'm going to use these two especially. And all the others, I tried to connect them. They do seem connectable, but they act independently, and I want the lighting all to be just one. As you see, they're all lighting up. See? So, being that they're all lit up, I'm able to use these two for the bright lighting. These are all bright lit, and they're all as one. And now that I have the lights all connected, I actually was able to connect 3 of them this time. So after playing around with them a little bit, I've got quite a bit to put together on the ceiling. And so now I have decided to move them a little closer to the wall. So this is how much I have. I do have from here to there. There's one. But then I have this one, which is all of this. And all of that can go right on the ceiling. So I'm going to go ahead and make my design. And once I get started, I'll let you see what it looks like afterwards. Well, I was able to put the lighting together. These two, which were the 12-foot ones, were able to be put together. As you can see, it has a connector here. So I have, what is it, 12 and 12 foot? If it is that, it's 24 feet that I can actually put and just use only one remote control, which is what things of that nature. I was using these things, but I was trying to see if I did not have to use them. As you can see, this one here, which is a mounting tab square, just in case. That could be used for up against the wall where you're going to have to put them. And then this one also. And these are Gorilla supplies. The Gorilla supplies are really good for holding on and being also removable as well. This one here is a mounting putty that's removable. And these are also clear tabs that can be peeled off later on. So these will be just in case, and they're my standbys. Alright, and then I have some hooks, as you can see. The hooks that screw into the ceiling itself, just in case. In order for me to use these, I would be using like clear fishing tape. So, there you have it. I'm going to do 4 bows like this in each of the corners, and then put the lighting in the middle, so that we'll have 4 bows like this on each of the corners. And as we go along, I'm going to show you every once in a while and take a break, and that way you'll have an idea of what I'm doing. Okay, we got the second row going. Now we have to continue on until we take it around the downside. Thing is the lighting with the bows on the corners. All this works with one remote. Still working on the lighting, and look how bright it is around here. Look at that. Can you see the bows in the corners? All right. So now I'm about to finish that, but I'm also going to add something more. And what's necessary is that I had to actually put the lighting.